In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the DoorDash Dasher Driver app on your mobile device. Whether you're just getting started with DoorDash or looking to update the app on a new phone, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the Dasher app installed and ready to help you hit the road as a delivery driver. The first step is to open your mobile device and locate the Play Store. This is the app store that comes pre-installed on Android devices, where you can download a variety of apps. If you're an iPhone user, you'll want the App Store instead, but the process is quite similar. Look for an icon that resembles a triangle or an A, depending on your device, and tap on it. Once you've opened the store, it's time to search for the app. In the search bar located at the top of the screen, you'll want to type in DoorDash Dasher. Be sure to type it correctly, as a slight misspelling can make it harder to find the app you're looking for. As you type, you might see a list of suggestions. Go ahead and tap on the one that precisely matches our target, DoorDash Dasher, to proceed. With the correct app on your screen, you should see a page that provides a description along with reviews and other information. Look for the green button labeled Install. Tapping this button will start the installation process. It's important to ensure that the app you're installing is from a reputable source. In this case, it should be published by DoorDash. This helps to avoid downloading any malicious or unofficial software. After you hit install, the download and installation process will automatically begin. Depending on your internet connection, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. During this time, you can see the progress of the installation on your screen. It might be a good idea to stay connected to Wi-Fi to avoid using up your mobile data if you have limited bandwidth. Once the installation is complete, the install button will change to open. This is your cue to launch the app for the first time. You'll be greeted by a welcome screen, and from here you can either sign up as a new Dasher or log in with your existing credentials. Take a moment to ensure everything is set up correctly and get ready to start your next journey with DoorDash. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully installed the DoorDash Dasher Driver app on your mobile device. Thanks for watching, and now you can enjoy delivering orders and making some extra cash with ease. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.